Hey, it's Jim McRed. Another great offer for you in 2018. Liberated Pinot Noir, 2013 Central Coast. Kind of fell into this one over the holidays and wasn't really interested in bringing in Pinot Noir, and was such a positive response with the people that I tasted it with, we just said, go ahead, let's bring it in. So we're offering it to you today because I think it's just one of those wines in January where you really want to have something that's comforting, it's good value, and it's Pinot Noir. So there's nothing real fancy about this other than the fact that it smells like Pinot Noir. It's got that, that great red fruit, a little bit earthiness to it. I get some baking spices, and then there's definitely that cherry, that Bing cherry, a little bit of, again, going back to those types of baking spices, a little bit of cinnamon. It's just absolutely delicious glass of wine, and the mouthfeel is, again, a little heavier, more towards that Meiomi side, a little bit bigger Pinot Noir, a little bit hotter. You can see there's a good color to it, but it just drinks really well. So here's the deal. It's normally $16.99. Give it to you for $13.99. It's a good deal, a good value Pinot Noir under 15 bucks. So 2018, here's another one. Is good.